back to my channel. Danielle here, and I just got some horrible news. Well, it's not totally like heart-wrenching, but I was super excited because I was gonna go to Riot Fest in September of this year to go see My Chemical Romance in All American Rejects, but they just pulled from the show because obviously the panorama is not over yet. So you guys, if you haven't been vaccinated yet and you're in the LA area, I'm gonna leave my sister's info down below because she can actually help you schedule an appointment. She runs a local farmer's market in Thai-town, and so she's gonna be holding a vaccination site there. So you guys, let's all try to get vaccinated as soon as we can so we can get back to normal, because I'm honestly so tired of being cooped up here at home. But let's get back to this video because I feel like I'm starting to ramble. We're unboxing a mystery bundle from Details Vintage, and you guys probably already know it's run by Haley. She used to have her own YouTube channel. She's now fully devoted to just running her Depop, and she's a really good friend of mine. We have plenty of collab videos, so I'm gonna link them down below. But she actually just moved from across the country. She's now here in Los Angeles, but I pretty much ordered a $50 mystery bundle from her. She was getting rid of a lot of pieces at a really low cost because of her move. So usually her Depop, I'll put it up here, does focus on true vintage, but a lot of like, I wanna say 60s to 80s. I'm not too great with, you know, categorizing pieces of clothing to their decade, but you know, it is pretty like old. So I did ask her if she had enough 90s pieces to put together a bundle, and she did. So we have this big old package here that's been sitting in my room for way too long, and so we finally get to open it up. So let's do it. I'm gonna stand up for this because this is a really big bag, but it's just a huge poly mailer that looks like she just tossed the clothes right in. So let's see, what do we see? I'm seeing some blue. Is this some lilac? Some purple in there? Okay, honestly, it's just so hard. So let's just start pulling some pieces. Ooh, okay. Ooh, this is so freaking cute. Okay, guys, the first piece that I pulled, I'm already in love with. I do want to start incorporating more color into my wardrobe just because I feel like I fell pretty deep into like my alternative grunge aesthetic, and now I need to start wearing more color. The weather is warming up, so this is perfect for the season. You guys, look at this print. Oh my goodness. And my favorite part is that it does have a back tie closure, so you can really just cinch in your waist. I love this. Can't wait to try it on. Okay, already in love. Let's see. A little midi skirt. You guys know I am such a sucker for midi skirts. And then this is a floral print, even with the top that I have on right now. I love it. Okay, we have a darker piece here. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, look at how freaking cute this is. So this is the brand Buyer 2, right? Looks like a classic round neck sleeveless top, but the back is actually cut out and has this back tie closure. It is so sexy. Kind of reminds me of the top that I have on right now. And then what do we have here? Some mesh. I'm just so in love with all these pieces. Oh yeah, you guys know I always rave about mesh pieces in my wardrobe. They make such good staples, good for layering. And look at these sleeves. This is such a fun piece. And it does have an all over print. A little, maybe, is this like a scoop neck? A tiny scoop neck. Oh yes. I love this. Okay, so exciting. Another little black piece here. Oh my god, she included a belt. I see some faux fur or shearling. You guys, I can't, what the heck? This is so cute. Oh my god, this is a brand Indications. You guys, look at the length of this. This falls to like, honestly, almost at my ankles. But we do have this like fuzzy constructed shawl collar, long sleeves. What is the closure? It's just a button closure on the front. I cannot. This is so freaking cute. Okay, can't wait to like fully style this because what a freaking statement. And then she included an awesome little zebra belt. Any textile pieces that, you know, are furry or sequins, I really like. And so this has that really soft construction, and then just a square buckle. Oh my gosh, in love. We have a little geometric print. What is this? Oh, it's a dress. Okay. Ooh, I feel so feminine, very elegant with this one. And again, it's more mesh. It does have a little necktie closure. And then this is more of a midi length on me. Ooh, this could actually be very sexy too because it feels like it's gonna be very figure hugging. Ooh, love the color. And then, I cannot. She included a leather midi skirt, or what is this, like a pencil skirt? No, stop it, this is so cute. And this is Alfani, and then, oh my gosh. Honestly, there hasn't been a piece that I was just like, why? Look at these pants, y'all. I cannot, they're so freaking cute. Okay, not only are they like a velvet soft construction, look at the fading. It's giving me major Y2K vibes. And then it does come out into a flared leg. I really hope these fit. And I feel like these are gonna be a little bit more of like a low to mid rise. And this is a brand Bisou, which again is one of my favorites. And y'all, look at the butt. The fading on it, it has no butt pockets, so the booty's gonna look super good too. The last piece is this little cardigan by 212. It's in this green sage color, which is obviously super in. You see this color everywhere on like Instagram and Pinterest. Let's go ahead and get all that stuff styled and tried on. Guys, here is the first dress. I think this is absolutely adorable. And I feel like it's a really good length for me too. So I'm only 5'3", so I like to keep a lot of my lengths above the knee. And this is just super freaking flattering. Look at this neckline. Perfect for accessorizing. I already told you guys, the back self-tie closure. Yes, and put some tights and some demonias. But yes, I love this. Okay, let's move on to our second outfit. This is why I love mini skirts. Look how freaking cute this is. It looks so feminine, so figure hugging, yes. And then I paired it with the crochet top. I know I was wearing this earlier, but when I saw the duo together, I was like, yes, such a look. And then I was just gonna pair it with this little sweater. It is really oversized and it does kind of give me like abuelita vibes, but imagine, you're out on a date, you just stroll it around, it gets a little chilly, you put on the cardigan, yes, so freaking cute, also very flirty. Look at this, yes, and then I paired it with these sandals that I got from Karina for a little statement look. I love this look. Okay, enough of this one, let's move on to our next fit. Y'all, this top is so freaking cute. Okay, let's just talk about the fact how I don't have boobs. Your girl does not have a butt, so when we show off sexy features like our collarbones or the lower part of our backs, you know, I'm all here for it. And this shirt, oh, I love it. I also like how it has like a little bit of metallic detailing throughout. A round neck is always super feminine, but the back, I cannot get enough of this back. You guys, honestly, it's so easy to style. Any sort of statement pant, my demonias, yes, so good. And so the pants I paired with it are these really fuzzy constructed leopard print pants that I got from Esme's yard sale. So if you haven't seen that, I'll put it up here in the cards and down in the description. But yes, oh my gosh, no complaints. And it fits like a freaking glove. Love it. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here we have this fit here, and it's not so much about the fit, but more about the belt, because Haley had sent over this little zebra belt. Anything with an animal print, anything with some sort of tactile element, I'm gonna be obsessed. I do like that it is playing more with like monochrome, monotone colors, because obviously I still have a heavy obsession with black right now. Y'all, these sleeves, oh my goodness. This is the type of things that I look for when out thrifting. It is more of a longer length, but I decided just to tuck it into my bra, and then I rolled it up in the back because I like this fit a little bit more, especially with like, you know, the weather warming up a bit. And then I just paired it with some leather pants. Oh yes, this is so freaking cute. So here we have the pencil skirt. Usually I'm not attracted to pencil skirts because immediately my mind goes to, it's business wear. It's meant for the workplace. And also I'm only 5'3", and I feel like pencil skirts really shorten me a bit, but decided to take more of like a cool, casual route. And so I just paired it with this really oversized tee that's actually Arthur's. He thrifted it at the outlets, and then we're bringing back this belt, but also we're cinching in the waist just a bit. And then of course we can't leave out the tights and demonias. Yes, so a lot of leather, a lot of black too, but you know what? I'm kind of into it. So let's move on to our next fit. Here we have these pants that I was low-key kind of scared about because I didn't think they were gonna fit around my hips, but surprisingly, they're super freaking stretchy, and I am feeling like a total Y2K pop star. I love this fit. It's all about the details, really. So let's talk about this shirt because, oh my goodness, this is from a previous mystery bundle box from Rag Junkie. I'll put it up here in the cards and down in the description. And then this belt I got for only $3 at a sample sale here in Fashion District. They've got no butt pockets. They are very low rise, so you know, it's a good thing that we have the belt on so we don't show no butt crack. But yes, I absolutely love them. And then yeah, just paired it off with these clear mules that I have. They're very figure hugging, very sexy, but like professional chic at the same time. And I personally don't like the necktie because I feel like if I'm gonna show anything off, I want it to be my collarbone. So we'll just toss her back there. We'll keep it like this. Yes, there's not much to do to this dress really because I feel like it's such a statement look. So I definitely think I need to play with a little bit more layers, maybe some sort of mesh, bring in my demonia boots, but let me know down in the comments how you would style this to make it a bit more younger. Okay, let's move on to the next fit. I had to leave my favorite piece for the end of the haul and look at this like cardigan, this duster. I especially love the collar because it has like this faux fur, faux shearling, and then I decided to pair it with some of my favorite Revolt pants in this like pink color, a little belt, and then surprisingly, the last time I was at the Goodwill bins, I came across this little bra that matches my pants perfectly, so I knew it was time to put it together, and I finally have a perfect fit for it. Yes, and then you can't forget about the demonias, of course, for a little bit of height. So that pretty much does it for all the fits, so let's get to my final thoughts. But you guys, that pretty much does it for unboxing a 90s themed mystery bundle from Details Vintage. If you liked any of the pieces, let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and start talking about my final thoughts. Obviously, I knew from the get-go that Haley was gonna freaking kill this. We've already collabed before, like I mentioned earlier, and she always sends over like super unique pieces. And so I kind of was expecting the same too. And again, this was kind of a promotional thing that she was offering where it was $5 per item because again, she was moving across the country. So I'm not sure if she's still able to offer this, but I highly suggest that you go hit her up on Depop. She is at Details Vintage there. But no surprise that I'm gonna give her a 10 out of 10. Obviously, I was super happy when unboxing the entire bundle, but I will admit that the midi dress did take me a little bit out of my comfort zone. But you know, I like pieces that do that because I feel like fashion is all about experimenting and stepping outside of your boundaries. Like, who knew I would like alternative gothic grunge type styles? And here I am. So really appreciate pieces that like really do test me. But y'all go hit her up. I'll leave all her information in the description box as well. Also you guys, I've already announced the first winner of the mystery bundle giveaway, but I still have 2 more winners to choose and one of them is gonna be in this video. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then comment down below anything you want along with your Instagram handle. So good luck to you guys. As always, I post videos at least once a week. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!